So this is the assembly microcontroller simulator I've been working on, and I just wanted to show off some new features, some added functionality. So I wrote this little program to demonstrate. When I press the button, it changes the direction. So now we have push button input. We have everything working really well. It's erasing because the numbers are negative there, but you got the idea. I changed add so that it takes two parameters now. You take the register you want to add to and then what you want to add to it. And that opens up a lot of freedom. I made it so that you could move a push button input to a pin. So target greater than with pin 0. You can check if it's greater than 0 to see if the button has been pushed. And that's what's happening here is every time I push the button, it's changing the, this is like a finite state machine. It's changing the state in dat. So it increments dat to move to the next state. And depending on what state it's in, it executes different behavior. It'll go up to the top here. And depending on what state it's in, it'll jump to one of these functions, left, right, up, or down. So starting to get exciting. Some something you can sort of see like what you could create with something like this. I really look forward to adding more functionality, but for now I just wanted to show that off. Thank you. I'll see you next time.